Tweetie here with links down below in the description and plenty of playlists. This teeny tiny tip is about passion. It's about your attitude. One of the most important ways to be successful is to find something you're passionate about and do it. If you can, do it for a living. And then teach your best friends and your family, and especially your children if you have any nieces and nephews. If you don't, and the neighbor kid will work this as well, to show them at a young age that you support their passion. Find out what it is that they have a love for and try to help them grow in it. Grow in your own passions. If you like crafting or painting or fishing and there's a way to do it for a living, try to figure out how, because then you can call yourself a success. Pat yourself on the back. And with that, if you like this tip, give us the thumbs up. If you want more tips, subscribe, and we'll give you as many as we can. Thanks for dropping by. Angels all around. Bye now.